If you've ever heard people say like, oh yeah, the universe is expanding, you might be like, what does that mean? The universe is expanding, which means that it is getting larger and also the distance between things is getting bigger. So if like I'm here in the Milky Way with you and I'm looking at a distant galaxy that's like hundreds of millions of light years away, it will look like that galaxy is moving away from us if I like look that way. And then if I look this way at a different galaxy, hundreds of millions of light years away, it is also moving away from us. And so you might be like, oh, well, that makes sense because we're the center of the universe. But there's not a center of the universe. All galaxies are moving away from all other galaxies because the space between them is expanding. So when we talk about like an expanding universe, the distance between our galaxy and other galaxies is getting bigger because there's more space there. One of the ways to think about it, and I'm doing a lab with my students next week, is where if you like blow up a balloon and you like draw a dot on one part of the balloon and a dot on another part of the balloon, and then you blow it up more, those two dots have gotten farther away from each other, not because the dots themselves are like moving, but because the plane on which they are existing is getting bigger. Space is kind of like that. Like the galaxies are on this like conveyor belt that is expanding. You might be like, Erica, you're not answering the question, because what if you're at the edge of the universe? Like, what is it expanding into? And that we have no idea because we're not on the edge of the universe and we can't see it. So that is a great question, and one that hopefully we will figure out a way to answer sometime in the future.